What's up, guys? I'm just gonna do a quick little video of the advanced crawler going around with the new axles and new links, and new chassis, and of course, new body. There's definitely a few things that I need to fix with this build. What you'll see is the main thing is that the body actually moves up and down and gets taken off the magnets whenever the tires hit it, but that's gonna be a simple fix. I am gonna be making a separate video too that actually breaks down the build a little bit more in depth, but I want you guys to be able to enjoy just some simple crawling. Thank you again for all you guys subscribing and watching these videos. Appreciate it a lot, and I hope you enjoy.